Good day. I am Renee R. De Ramos and I have recently graduated with a degree of Bachelor of Science major in Electrical Engineering at Mapua Institute of Technology. I believe that I am the most effective and deserving applicant for your electrical engineer position. My strength can contribute to your company efficiently. I am quick learner, flexible, patient, and have a strong determination. Talking about skills, I have knowledge in engineering softwares such as Java, AutoCAD, C++, and Scilab. My goal is to join a reputed company that can help me to improve myself and to have a very good reputation in my chosen field. I am confident that my skills will help me produce even more products and results for your company. Loyalty and confidence will never be an issue for me since I am a former high school student at St. Joseph Academy of Sariaya, Quezon, with a reputable history of good moral in the said institute. If you are interested and have any question, feel free to contact with me at my email address at rrderamos@yahoo.com, or you can call me at 0955 496 4182. I am glad to answer a call, a text, or even an email from you, and it will give me pleasure if you want to meet me at your most comfortable place and tend to know me better. Thank you and God bless.